Welcome to today's video. My name is Chris and today we are counting down 9 anime where the main character have a dark past. Number 9, Psychic Detective Byakumo. Haruka Ozawa's sophomore year is getting seriously scary. One of her friends is possessed, another has committed suicide, and Haruka could be the next one to flunk the still breathing test. Her only way out of this potentially lethal dead end Yakumo Saito, an enigmatic student born with a mysterious red eye that allows him to see and communicate with the dead, but the deceased don't always deceased, and some killers are more than ready to kill again to keep dead men from telling any more tales. That doesn't stop Haruka's knack for digging up buried secrets, and there is even more evidence of bodies being exhumed by both Yakumo's police contact and investigative journalist with a newly made corpse in a closet. Can this pair of anything but normal paranormal detectives solve the ultimate dead case stories themselves? They end up in cold. Number 8, Utaware Rumono. An injured man is found in the woods by a girl named Eruru, and everything about him is mysterious. Without knowledge of his past nor even his own name, he is welcomed to Eruru's home and given the name Hakuro by her grandmother and younger sister Aruru. While the inhabitants of the village have largers and tails, Hakuro defining physical trait is quite different, as he has neither ears nor tail, but only marks that he cannot remove. Soon after he becomes a part of the villagers' lives, a revolution against the tyrannical emperor of the land begins and the conflict finds its way to his new home. Hakuro must do whatever he can to save people and the village that he has come to love, all while uncovering the mysteries that shroud his past. Number 7, Zettai Karen Children, The Unlimited Hyogo Kyosuke. Kyosuke Hyogo, an esper who was betrayed many years ago, is now one of the most powerful espers and also a fugitive. However, behind that layer lies a kind heart. His main mission is to save espers who are mistreated by humans, even if that be by force. Through his method, he has saved many espers' lives and gained the loyalty of those he has saved. Number 6, Black Bullet. In the year 2021, a parasitic virus known as Gastria infects humans and turns them into monsters. What is left of mankind now lives within the monolith walls that are made of baronium, the only material that can hurt Gastria. To counter the threat that the Gastria pose, cursed children, female children whose bodies contain trace amounts of the virus which grant them superhuman abilities, officially called initiators by the Tendo civil security, are given partners called promoters, people who work to guide and protect the young initiators. These teams of two are sent out on missions to fight the monster created by Gastria virus and keeps them at bay. Number 5, Kaze no Stigma. Kazuma Yagami is a user of Fujitsu, the ability to control the wind. He returns to his old home, the noble Kannagi household, after being banished 4 years ago for his inability to control fire and his subsequent defeat in a duel at the hands of his younger cousin Ayano Kannagi. Returning after such a brutal exile already gives rise to many conflicts, but to make matters worse, several Kannagi family members have recently been murdered with Fujitsu. This leads the Kannagi family, including the hot-headed Ayano, to suspect Kazuma as the culprit. Now Kazuma must not only clear his name but also aid the family he shares a mutual hatred with in order to discover the true identity of the killer. Number 4. Oarino Seraph. With the appearance of a mysterious virus that kills everyone above the age of 13, mankind become enslaved by previously hidden power-hungry vampires who emerge in order to subjugate society with the promise of protecting the survivor in exchange for donation of their blood. Among these survivors are Yuichiro and Mikela Hyakua, two young boys who are taken captive from an orphanage along with other children whom they consider family. Discontent with being treated like livestock under the vampire's cruel reign, Mikela hatches a rebellious escape plan that is ultimately doomed to fail. The only survivor to come out on the other side is Yuichiro, who is found by Moon Demon Company, a military unit dedicated to exterminating the vampires in Japan. Number 3. Darker Than Black. It has been 10 years since Heaven's Gate appeared in South America and Hell's Gate appeared in Japan, veiling the once familiar night sky with an oppressive skyscape. Their purpose is unknown. These gates are spaces in which very laws of physics are ignored. With the appearance of the gates emerge contractors who, in exchange for their humanity, are granted supernatural abilities. In the Japanese city surrounding Hell's Gate, Section 4 Chief Misaki Kirihara finds herself at odds with an infamous contractor codenamed Hei called Black Reaper. In the underground world, Hei, like his associates, undertakes missions for the interiors and ruthless syndicate while slowly peeling back the dark layers covering a nefarious plot that threatens the very existence of contractors. Number 2. Trickster. Kogoro Akechi is the founder of a private investigation firm known as Boy Detectives Club. Together, this group takes on cases both great and small. One of their junior members, Kensuke Hanasaki, is out solving a case one day when he happens upon Yoshio Kobayashi, a mysterious amnesiac boy with an inability to die. After seeing his abilities in action, Kensuke offers Yoshio a deal: join the Boy Detectives Club and help them solve cases, and in exchange he will find a way to help Yoshio die. The apathetic Yoshio accepts these deals, begrudgingly unaware of how different his life will become. Although he does not have much use for people, he gradually begins to acknowledge the group as he spends more time with them while solving cases. Number 1. Noragami. In times of need, if you look in the right place, you just may see a strange telephone number scrawled in red. If you call this number, you will hear a young man introduce himself as the Yato god. Yato is a minor deity and self-proclaimed delivery god who dreams of having millions of worshippers without a single shrine dedicated to his name. However, his goals are far from being realized. He spends his doing odd jobs for 5 yen a piece until his weapon partner becomes fed up with his useless master and deserts him. Just as things seem to be looking grim for the god, his fortune changes when a middle school girl, Hiyori, supposedly saves Yato from a car accident, taking the hit for him. Remarkably, she survives, but the event has caused her soul to become loose and hence able to leave her body. Hiyori demands that Yato return her to normal, but upon learning that he needs a new partner to do so, reluctantly agrees to help him find one, and with Hiyori's help, Yato's luck may finally be turning around.